Hi, my name is R.C. Williams Reggie. I'm a musician. I graduated from Cooley High School in Detroit. And one of my pet peeves as a black man is black women. I've seen too many of my young people, brothers, not knowing how to treat a woman. And the main message that I'd like to get across, which I can tell you that it works. If you want to get someone, you want to be happy with them, and you want to stay happy with them, and get all the bull crap and everything, what you need to do is two things. You do everything you can in your power to make her happy, and she does the same for you. Black women are not a commodity to be sold or bartered or anything, but they are the joy of us, the joy of a man, the joy of our country. And we should be able to just love them. And the best way to love someone is to learn about them and to ask them questions. So instead of trying to be Mac Daddy and the guy on the street who has all the rules, find someone who can be honest with, who can be honest with you, and just love them. And that's all it should do. It'll make it work. It's permission.